we got something cooking you might be interested in.
Am I gonna like the sound of this?
Been cooking since Horseshoe, but you went and kicked up all that commotion in Valentine. Now, we was preparing to rob the bank there until you got involved in all that nonsense, and I don't know, I just feel like it's unfinished business.
Hit the goddamn bank with us.
Okay.
If we go in quick and quiet, we can hit it just fine.
All right. Let's go.
Mr. Morgan.
Sehen wir uns. Oi, Strauss.
Strauss?
That man, the debtor, Thomas Downs, apparently he's dead.
Dead? Huh. Well, he didn't seem very well.
His wife. I believe he has a wife and child. She will assume the debt, of course.
Of course.
Then you can head up there and collect. We lent them a lot of money.
Okay.
Gentlemen, let's go rob ourselves a bank.
What's the plan, then?
Oh, we're gonna send Karen on in ahead as a distraction. Then we're just gonna rush on in afterwards. Just a small bank in a little town. Nothing that big in way of security. We just need to bring you along as a insurance policy.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay,
Let's
let's
go.
move out.
Move on, move on. Warte, ich muss rasch Dings den Kartenpunkt deaktivieren. Das stresst mich jetzt. Hosea, du musst rasch warten.
So, tell me again about this big can't-go-wrong plan of yours.
Oh, it can go wrong. Anything can, once the shooting starts.
Well, that's reassuring.
Like I said, we'll see how it looks. If we can get in all right, we'll send Miss Jones ahead to the bank. They won't recognize her.
I'll show you boys how it's done.
What are you thinking this time?
I don't know. Fellers always like a lost little girl, but nobody plays a drunken harlot quite like me. It should work.
Once she's got them distracted, we'll move in.
When I was scouting the place the other day, there was only a couple of guards.
We deal with them and any customers who are feeling brave. And you always fancy yourself as the vault man, right, Arthur?
Okay.
I see why you brought me.
Hey, I'm more than willing.
Nah, best I do it.
Oh, and did Dutch tell you I've also been cooking up some deals with them Gray Boys?
What? No. What kind of deals?
See, you don't realize, Morgan. I'm out there putting in the work same as you. I've been drinking with them a couple times now. Seems they're looking for some extra security.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
Could be something in it for us.
Well, just be smart about it. Got a lot of irons in that fire right now.
Yes, I know, Morgan.
Can't believe you got me going back to Valentine.
Don't tell me it ain't hurt you leaving that bank behind.
Not really.
Work a town and not hit the bank? That's downright pathetic.
I guess we went a bit beyond working it. We shot the place to hell.
You did, Morgan. Not me. I played it cool up there. Couple of punch-ups, dealt with some O'Driscolls.
Ah, is that right?
Like I said, you mess up, it's just one of them things. I mess up, I'm the prize idiot.
Ja, was sagt uns das über dich?
Bill, I don't know what to tell you.
Surprised you ain't already ripped me about that dynamite again. One mistake, and I'll never live it down.
What do you need? Pat on the back? A medal?
Just know, I got the lead on this one.
We'll see about that once things get going. So, thinking this through. We rob Cornwall's train. We shoot a heap of his men in Valentine. We rob his stagecoach.
This is just dawning on you now?
And now, we're going back to the one place he knew where to find us.
That's the genius of it. Folk never look at what's right under their nose.
I that's always true.
What's happened to you? You're getting real nervy in your old age.
The last few weeks happened.
Forget about Cornwall. He can't have many men left at this point. Got a bit hairy in that barn, but we all walked away fine from that.
Didn't walk away with much.
If 4 of us could deal with them in Valentine, and 4 of us could deal with them after the coach robbery, I ain't too worried.
If you say so. We need to move quick once we're in Valentine. I'm sure they ain't forgotten us.
Of course! In and out! Dutch is gonna love this.
Let's get it done first.
Ja, ich hoffe, es springt ein bisschen mehr raus das Mal.
Keep it down now. We're here.
Hi, Kollegen, könnt ihr euch an uns erinnern? Hm? Grüezi! Hi! Schau nicht so.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Enjoy the morning, mister.
Arf!
Okay, let's leave the horses here off the main drive. Whoa!
All right, gentlemen, here we are.
Okay. Get ready.
Warte schnell. Hey, kann ich da nicht das Inventar auftun? Egal.
Okay. Go to work.
Of course.
Karen hat einfach die bescheuertste Aufgabe in
and follow me,
dem Plan. Arthur, bist du nervös?
We never decided. Is it lost little girl you want, or the drunken harlot?
Was wollen wir? Wir nehmen das verirrte Mädchen. Da
So
finde ich, weniger peinlich.
I think I'd like to see the little girl lost.
So even you long to save the fallen women, eh, Arthur? You break my heart. You really do.
Besser, oder? Besser. Gut.
If you're ready, get going.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Good
We
luck.
got this.
Good luck, gentlemen.
I'm not sure this is quite the place.
Okay, we're going.
No, hold on. Wait till she's got him reeled in.
Would you care to...
I'm with child, and it's, I don't want to go back to the workhouse.
Get your goddamn hands up!
Go.
This is a goddamn robbery!
Nobody move!
No word up! Nobody move!
Don't make us hurt you! Here! Unlock the door!
Okay, the door's unlocked.
Gut.
Oh, you think we're here for fun? Come on. Open the goddamn
Mach
door!
auf.
Open it!
Aufmachen. Los!
Don't make me hurt you. Too goddamn slow!
Mach! Ruf! Schneller!
How's it going in there?
Jetzt langsam.
Too slowly!
Ja, sagt's
You
auch.
better get that door open right now.
I'm nearly there.
Los!
Son of a bitch, hurry up! Come on!
Okay.
Hallo!
Son of a bitch!
Schneller!
Hurry up!
Okay.
Du wartest da. Hallo, weg. Geh weg.
I'm in! Someone come make sure the suit behaves himself in here.
Come here. Open the lockboxes now!
Los.
The manager does that.
God damn it! Now what?
Guess I'll crack them or blow them up. Keep an eye out. I'll be as quick as I can. Yeah, I think I should be able to crack these.
All right, but you better be quick. You shut the hell up and stay still!
Okay, da machen wir jetzt. Knacken. Okay, okay, okay.
Hey, keep still. If I see that leg move again, you get a bullet in it.
How much time you think we got?
I don't know. Not much. This is taking too long.
Gut. Der erste ist
Come
offen.
on, come on!
Plündern, natürlich. Hallo. Los.
Me too.
Scheiße.
Boys, you need to move this along!
Move. Oh! Move on, move on, move on.
Going as fast as I can. This is slower, but it's quieter.
Okay.
Hey, watch him there.
Don't worry. I see him.
Los.
Please, let me go. I won't say nothing. I swear.
Ja, ja.
Shut the hell up and stay where you are.
Genau, lass auf meine Kollegin.
I'll go check the front. Bill, how's it going in there?
Ziemlich
We're
okay,
getting
ziemlich
there.
okay,
Few
ziemlich
more
okay.
minutes. How's it looking there?
Good.
Told you.
Don't count your chickens just yet.
So rum. Und jetzt noch das letzte Mal. Alrighty, right. Nimm das Zeug mit. So, der letzte noch.
That's
Nachher
another one
verpissen wir
cleared.
uns.
This is looking good.
How much longer?
Nearly there.
Auf.
Okay, you reckon that's enough now?
Maybe. It's never enough.
Well,
Nope, nope, nope.
I am ready to get the hell out of here whenever you are.
Alles gut, das kannst du ja helfen. Kannst du auch einen auftun. Billy Boy. Los, 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 los. Gut. Haben wir's? Ah, nein, wir haben nochmal einen. Wir haben nochmal einen. Los, 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 los. Nimm alles
Last
raus.
one.
Good. We gotta move.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Warte. Doch, 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 den nehmen wir auch noch mit. Wir gehen sicher sonst nichts. Mhm. Gut, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Und Und jetzt einfach ab ins Lager. Los. Kann man den noch plündern? Na komm, gehen wir.
I think we're fine. Come on, I'll lead the way.
Let's go.
Gut gemacht.
Everybody, stay calm.
Gut gemacht, Kollegin und
All of you
Kollege.
count to 100 and keep your mouth shut. You understand me?
Das ist richtig schön unauffällig. Wir haben es voll nicht eilig. Ruff.
And look, over there!
Let's go.
All right.
Let's go.
Now let's get the hell out of this goddamn town! God damn it, there's more of them!
Ja, weißt du, warte.
Fuck, you see any more of them? There's more of them!
Nice.
Look out! More of the sons of bitches!
Stirb. Schön.
Where the hell are they coming from? Come on, get across! Gotta beat that train, Morgan!
Ach, fuck. Schießt er ja.
All right. I think we lost him.
Thank you, gentlemen. That was...
Stupid and dangerous. Thank
No
you,
bits.
Bill.
We're alive and we're paid.
Yeah.
I don't see the problem.
Yeah, and that is the problem. Still,
Thank
this is a very good take.
Hauptsache die ganze
Let you be
Gruppe
happy.
riskieren, Billy Boy.
Even if it did come with a heap of trouble.
Ah, it was fun.
Well, maybe you're right. Now, go on, get out of here. I have some other business to attend to.
Schliechert
Don't
euch,
head
los.
directly back to camp, and make sure you ain't followed.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Downs.
Gehen wir zu der Downs Range. Easy
You
girl.
good girl?
Mhm.
Ja.
Gut, wir gehen jetzt zu der Downs Range. Oder wie heisst die Range? Ist egal, wir gehen jetzt die Dame besuchen. Und ich würde sagen, das machen wir beim nächsten Mal. Oder? So machen wir es. Dann würde ich sagen, schön, dass ihr mit dabei gewesen. Wenn es euch gefallen hat, würde ich mich über einen Daumen nach oben freuen. Dann schreibt eure Gedanken gerne in die Kommentare rein. Und auch nicht vergessen, dann sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal. Okay, tschüss!
Ciao!